Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to find the standard deviation, variance, mean, median, and mode of a set of units or a set of data in Excel. So first we're going to go to UCF apps, just go to any search engine, type in UCF apps, and you'll go straight to there. It's pretty straightforward, just click this main button, and it's going to take you to this app called Syntrix. I'm already logged in, but when you log in, it will be the same exact login you used for your UCF portal, except there's gonna be an add-on to your username. You'll type your original username and then at ucf.edu. These are my most recently used apps, that's why they're at the very forefront, but if you have not used this before, then you'll go to all apps and you'll find what you need, which is Excel. You'll click on it, it'll appear down here where you'll double click it. And by the way, this is the latest version of Windows 10, so if you do not have Windows 10, it might work a little different for you. But it should appear down at the bottom of your browser. You'll double click it and then allow it to open. I've already opened it to save time over here. And so right now we're looking at these units right here. I plugged them in already to save time, but it is violent incidents among soccer fans and football fans, and that's what we'll be working with today. So when I titled these, I just put it in the first box and I clicked up here. You can click here too and type as well, but it's easier to kind of see what you're doing when it's up here. So these are all of our units, and it's pretty simple from there. After you plug all your things in, you want it to look like a regular T-table. So then you'll find an empty box, say out of the way, like right here, so you know kind of what you're looking at. Or you can do up here and title this, say, standard deviations. We'll use abbreviation for now. You can say this is variances, means, medians, and modes, if you like, and that will kind of make it easier for you to see what you're doing. So for this first one, see if I can do this. So now you guys can see both. I made a little cheat sheet right here to make it a little easier, but this is kind of quick formulas that you can use in Excel. That way it doesn't take as long. And Excel is pretty smart, so it knows what all of these things mean. So for standard deviation, we're going to use the abbreviation STDEV. Doesn't matter if it's capital or not. We don't need to know any of these for right now. These are all extra. They tell Excel to look or not to look at certain things, but right now we'll just use the standard one. So let's say we'll do it for soccer first. So what you'll do is you'll click this and don't let go of your mouse and drag it all the way down until you're at the bottom of your numbers. And Excel will know exactly what to do. You can do it by hand and type in, as you can see, A2 because you're in the A column right here. A2 to A11, and it will do the same exact thing, but this is just a little quicker and easier. And all you have to do is push enter, and there's your standard deviation for soccer. Make it a little easier so we can see what we're working with here. Alright, and then for variance, you're going to want to use this quick formula right here. This abbreviation is pretty easy, just VAR, and again, same rule for this. All these do extra things that we don't really need right now, so we'll just use the regular variance. And we're going to drag and drop all the way down again, and hit enter on your keyboard, and there it will. And Excel will know how to round for you, so you don't have to worry about that. The mean, median, and mode are pretty easy. For the mean, another word for mean is average, and that's how Excel kind of sees it. So you'll type equals. I'm sorry, I did not preface that you will type equals, the equal sign, before every formula that you put in, or every quick word you put in. So again, we'll click the very simplest one, average, because that's what we're looking for here. Drag and drop, and hit enter. And there's your mean, 4.7. And for medians, we're going to do, this one's pretty easy. It's equal median, which is nice and straightforward. Double click that, and then you'll drag and drop, hit enter. And lastly, again, this one's very easy. It's equal mode. And we'll just click the main one, and then go all the way down. Oops, sorry, there's an error right there. Drag it all the way down, and hit enter. There you go. And we'll do the same for this guy. I already went ahead and did the football ones to save time because it's pretty much the exact same thing. But that's how you do that. And yeah, it's pretty basic, pretty easy, and it gives you all your calculations pretty easily without you actually having to do them by hand, which is very nice and saves a ton of time. Um, Excel is a very good, very smart program and will definitely help you make the most of your time, especially when working with large quantities of data, not just two bars in a single t-chart. Thank you for watching.